Namaskaram and welcome to Dhanyam's Organic Kitchen. Today we are going to make sesame powder Ellu Podi. This is very tasty and we make it with very few ingredients. You can have this with idli, dosa, hot rice and ghee. Winter is already here and sesame has heat producing property. You can have this during winter. Enjoy this recipe. Now let's see the list of ingredients needed to make this sesame powder. Black sesame seeds 1 cup, urad dal 1/4 cup, dry chili 7, pepper 1/2 tablespoon, jeera 1/2 tablespoon, salt as required. Let's see the method now. First we will dry roast urad dal. When the nice aroma comes, add pepper, dry chili and jeera. Next we will dry roast sesame seeds. It gets roasted very quickly, so in the same hot kadai, put the sesame seeds and roast it for few minutes. Add salt and mix well. Transfer it to a bowl and let it cool. Put all the ingredients in a jar and pulse it and grind. Do not run it continuously. If you do, sesame will start giving off oil. So if you're making large batches, I would recommend you to grind the sesame seeds separately by pulsing it and then grinding all the other ingredients separately and then mix it well. Our nutritious sesame seed powder is ready now. I hope this sesame powder recipe was very useful to you. You try this and let me know your feedback in our feedback section. Thank you so much.